It was another gloomy day, the kind where the clouds hung low and the air felt heavy with the promise of rain. Today's mission was simple, but deeply important. Find the perfect Scotch fillet. I've been on the hunt for good quality meat lately, and supermarkets just haven't been cutting it. The prices are high, the freshness is questionable, and the taste? Well, let's just say it leaves a lot to be desired. That's when I decided it was time to look elsewhere. After some digging around, I found a butcher here in Sydney that seemed promising. They specialize in high-quality, grass-fed meats, and from what I've heard, their Scotch fillet is on another level. At $40 a kilo, it's not exactly cheap, but compared to supermarket prices, or worse, restaurant prices, it's a pretty good deal for what you're getting. Today, I'm taking a ride to check it out for myself. Not just for the meat, but for the whole experience. Visiting a proper butcher shop is a rare treat, and I thought it'd be fun to bring you along for the journey. So hop on and let's head there together. I'll show you around and give you a look at the incredible selection of meats they have. almost there. The weather isn't exactly on my side. It's another gloomy day, and I'm crossing my fingers that I can get to the shop and back without getting drenched. If you've been keeping up with my last few videos, you know the rain, and I have a bit of a history. It seems to enjoy chasing me down. I'm leaving my bike here for now. Time's tight, and those clouds are looking like they'll burst any minute. All right, time to head inside and see what they've got. Quick tip before we go in. Make sure to bring a jacket or grab one from the rack near the entrance. The entire place is basically a giant cool room, and trust me, it's cold enough to feel like winter inside. Just look at this place. It's a dream come true for anyone who loves good meat. The selection here is massive: pork, lamb, chicken, beef, and even Wagyu. And the prices? Honestly, they're pretty reasonable for the quality you're getting. Last time I was here, I picked up some of their grass-fed mince, and it was a game changer. I made burgers with it, and they were so good that I might never bother eating out again. The flavor was on another level. It's time to head out. I've got what I need, and I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this little trip. Just as I was leaving, the rain started to pick up, and before I knew it, I was caught in a downpour. I quickly had to find shelter, but after a few minutes, it only got worse. I was hoping to avoid it, but now I'm officially stranded with nothing to do but wait it out. Looks like I'll be getting home later than I thought. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. The links are in the description below. Until next time, ride safe.